What's going on, guys? It's Mike at Delmarva Backyard. I have a quick video for you to do with my all-grain cart setup. And some of you guys have been following that know what I've been up to there. But I'm going to take the Fermenters favorite mash tun, 10-gallon mash tun that I bought, and I'm gonna go ahead and assemble that and get that together. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna get that done, so stay tuned. So this is the false bottom that goes in the mash tun. I'm gonna go ahead and get this assembled and get this installed, and then we'll put the valve assembly on the mash tun. This is the fitting that allows the tubing to draw the wort out of the mash tun without any grains getting through. This will go on top, so we'll stick this through. This is our valve assembly, which goes on here, and I'm going to go ahead and get that installed. This side goes on the inside of the cooler, and what we'll see is this part here. All right, so we're going to let that sit for probably 10 or 15 minutes with water in it, and we're going to look for any leaks. That'll allow me to do quick connects, so I'll be able to, this will be bar bend, it'll go on the hose, so I'll be able to just go like that. And to disconnect, quick and easy. I'm gonna have quick connects on every unit, on the mash tun, on the boil kettle, and the hot liquor tank. I did install the Blickman Auto Sparge on the mash tun. The video for that is gonna be in my Homebrew Wednesday number 4. Now that's coming out after this video, so look for that, Homebrew Wednesday 4. That's gonna come out actually next week, next Wednesday. So check that out. I will get the link up here after it's posted, but can't do it until then. So I really appreciate you joining me for the video. I really appreciate you sticking around to watch the whole video. Check out these other videos over here. You may very well be interested in those also. The inspiration behind the videos is your feedback. And the best way to give me your feedback is to hit the like button down below. Most importantly, hit the subscribe button down below. And you can also leave comments. I can't wait to see you next time.